Hello there. Assume you have got a lot of folders or many of folders containing many images, and you want to change them, you want to rename them. So instead of you going locally, like start manually trying to do like click on the image and start changing the name, maybe X, something like that. So instead of doing the most important part, you can use this part. So you can use this part. I'll attach it to the just underneath the video so I can download and use it. So you right click on it, edit using anything like Notepad++, Notepad, anything, any coding editing software, any application. So I confirm the name of the direction like F, okay, it's an F drive, okay, then slash radsound, okay, this folder is called radsound, okay, then slash anatomy because you're above, okay, up there. All right, everything same, everything as I want it to be. Okay, 9 selected, okay, everything. Okay, now I'll change the prefix. So like I call it the mock 9 because it's 9. All right, just make it simple. 9. So the extension shall be PNG. Okay, then Control S. That's it. Then go back to the bird and run it by inside command. Okay, to show all the images there. Here are all the images. Then click yes, give direction. Okay, here you go. So I've changed the names of the images. You can confirm it. Go to the 9, confirm. Okay, already changed everything. Right, perfect. Okay. So 2,000 images. Our pattern. Okay, it is 2,000 images, no 200. So like you got a folder. So containing each one contains like 100 images. So you want to change them. You'll rename all of them. And for instance, if you will start with this one from 20, going image 1, click, right click, okay, rename. So it will take you almost like how many minutes can you consider it? Really long time. You can just double click on it, open, or just single click, left click, okay, change the name. So that's really difficult. So what you will do is that you just come, okay, you call all this, like we have 1, 2, 3. You go, oh, Bhagwan, no, ready, I want to call it 3. So you got this script, which is part of JavaScript, okay, so which is part that you can use to change the name. So you call the name of the folder, you can come here, and if you don't know how to try it, you can just try it on the F, okay, go there, take this, okay, drag down, you see on the F, okay, the drive is F, okay, I press here, anatomy mocks, okay, I press here, ready, because I can't do that, I can write it, okay, just right click on the folder, copy as path, and come here, okay, then paste it here, you paste, okay, then remove the rest, remove it, okay, all right, here you go, okay, that's it. Then change the name, that's how it is chapter 3. So you go, what is the prefix? You set the prefix that you wanted the rename to take. For instance, each name shall have a prefix. So I decided to give each one for the mock 1 to have mock 1, mock 2, okay, 3, something like that. So here I'm gonna write 3, mock 3, like that. Okay, the extension should be PNG. Okay, then you click on it as Control S, saving. Then come. Go, okay, run it as like it's gonna open in command. So it will point out all the images there in the folder. Okay, here are the images, 100 of them. Then you click yes. Here we go. That's it. Change, but still with an extra image. So what you will do is that click any key so that you exit the setup and go again, run it again. Okay, then write yes. So I got exact 100 images. Okay, yes, that 100 images from mock 3 completely. Then you can go back to the folder and say, now what's the name of the image now? Go. So mock 3 from 1 to 100. So you got your 100 images. So you do, each one is going to take you like between 30 to 40 seconds to complete. And then overall, if you take like 20 pages, 20 folders, like maybe if you can't copy the path, we're gonna write it. It will take you between 5 to 10 minutes to complete remaining 2,000 images.